Go grab Pookie's collar, now!
A please wouldn't kill you. Looks comfy.
Now bring it back, obviously. Now, you're gonna walk my child around and help him do his business. And if you do it wrong, you will suffer. Oh, Pookie, Auntie Anka's found a new walker. Such a good boy. Yes, you are. Now put that collar on. Time for walks.
It is me, the handsome boy.
Did that thing just talk?
Haven't you ever seen an enchanted collar before? What a rube.
Pet me, pet me, pet me, pet me, please. Pet me, please. Can you pet me?
He likes you. Low standards, I guess. Give him a rub. Show him you're friendly.
I love you.
Oh, Pookie Gins. He's the sweetest boy. Okay, time for his walk, and watch out for strays. He'll need to do his business soon. Make sure he isn't interrupted. He can't make duty if he's anxious.
Gotta do the business. Boom and doo-doo, gotta boom boom.
Looks like it's boom boom time. Keep my Pookie boy safe. Leave Pookie alone, you mongrel. Go on, scat!
You heard her. Scat. Or whatever that means. Fulminate!
Don't do it. Not the right spot. Didn't feel right. Didn't smell right.
He didn't go. He does this sometime. Just follow him. He'll find the right spot soon enough.
Yeah. This is it. Boom boom time. Huh? Yay!
Did Pookie Nums leave a present for Mommy? Pick it up, now. Oh, hey! It's Pookiekin's Happy Bunny Ball. He just loves swallowing that thing. Grab it!
Wait, adventurer! I have passed through my master's anus 147 times! Please, end me. No! Not again! What have I done to deserve this? I can't go back there! I can't!
Now, time to get Pookie to the park. You just want to park, don't you, my little cuddle bucket? Now, mush.
What? It's not a seaward, pup! Get that thing the hell out of here!
Yeah! This park is for crab people, you know what? Does this look like fish bowl to you?
He loves to play with his little friends. But mind they don't get too rough. He's a sensitive boy.
Look at that stupid guppy puppy thinking he can just waltz into our crab park and we're not gonna do nothing about it.
It's insulting is what it is.
Seaward people, I swear.
Oh, those bully noise. Hey, you! There's a little teeny rune on Pookie's collar. Go ahead and hit it for me.
Crumbs for
Playtime, Pookie.
I could get used to this. This will be over before you can regret it.
Did you read the sign?
Can't sling spells no more. You shall have extra peanut butter this night. Element blast.
I said,
Okay, Pookie Monkey. That's enough fun for today. Come on back home now. You heard me. Bring him home.
While they were dying, those Crab Park dudes said something about Pookie being like a legend. What was that about?
If you read the tie-in novel, you'd understand.
Yeah, Valentine, I did.
What? When?
In the last 0.3 nanoseconds.
Oh. Well, how was it?
Surprisingly moving.
Took you long enough. Now it's feeding time. Turn on his collar again so he can eat like a big boy. Go on. Please.
Breathe it in. Having fun, little fungus?
Now what are you waiting for? A cookie? Get the hell off my property, you malcontent! And come back and play with Pookie anytime, you hear?